Yeah, another set of questions we have is this question 3a plus b equal to 8. Can you call that one question 1? Okay, call that one question 1. Okay, then this is the equation. The second one is a polynomial or quadratic. A polynomial of power 2, 3a squared plus b squared equals to 28. Equation 2. So what we do is for us to go to equation 1 and make one of the variables the subjects, but it will be more better and more convenient, okay, to go for B because the attachment here is 1, okay, because if you go for A as the subject, you're going to have a fraction and we don't want to have that, okay. So let's go for the more easier one. Let's make from equation 1 B is equal to 8 minus 3a. Call that one equation 3. We move this one 3a to other side and make this one the subject. So plug in substitute, plug in 3 into 2, plug in 3 into 2. So that will now give us we're going to have 3a squared, okay, plus anywhere you see b, you put 8 minus 3a there, 8 minus 3a. So that's b squared. Square that equal to 28. Then let's do the expansion. So this will be 3a squared plus. If you expand this one, you're going to have 64. That's 8 squared. That's 64. Then minus 2 times 8 times 3a. That's 24a. Okay. Then plus the last one. That's b squared. That's 9a squared equal to 28. I'm using this give it our knowledge. A minus b squared is equal to what? A squared minus 2ab, then plus what? Plus b squared. Okay? So that's what I use for that for this expansion. So let's collate what we have. Let's bring together. We have 3a squared plus 64 minus 2 times this one. That's minus 48a, then plus 9a squared equal to 28. Okay, so 9a squared plus 3a squared plus 9a, that's 12a squared. That's 12a squared minus 48a plus 64. Then move this 28 to the left hand side, So minus 28 equal to 0. So that will be equal to 12a squared minus 48a. Then 64 minus 28, that's plus 36. We can divide the equation by 6. So we have 2a squared minus 8a, then plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So a is 3 or minus 1. A is 3 or 1. So that's what we've got in. So then the next thing to do now is for us to come back here. Equation 3, b equal to 8 minus 3a. So when a is 3, we're going to have 8 minus 3 times 3. That's minus 1. That is when a is 3. Or b equal to what? 8 minus 3 times 1. That's what? That's 5. So that's my answer. Yeah, question 2. Question 2. We have 2u plus v equal to 7 for question 2. Call that one equation 1. Then we have uv equal to 6. Okay. So It's then from equation 1, from 1, make V the subject. V is equal to what? 7 minus 2u. Call that one equation 3. 7 minus 2u, because it's more better to have a linear expression than to have a fraction. Okay, so make V the subject. So if you make V the subject, then you have 7 minus 2u. Okay, so this is your 2. So plug in equation 3, plug in 3 into 2, plug in 3 into 2, and that will give you u into bracket. My V expression is 7 minus what? 7 minus 2u. 7 minus 2u equal to what? Equal to 6. Okay, so do the expansion. U times 7, that's 7u, minus 2u squared equal to 6. Okay, we can move everything to the other side, and that will be 2u squared minus 7u plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, then we can do the factorization. Let's try manual this time around. So this one times this one, that's a 12u squared. 2 factors of 12. This is a plus 12. 2u squared times plus 6. We have this. 2 factors of 12. That's a 4 and 3. We need 2 factors of this product that can give us this minus 7. They can give us minus 7, and that will be equal to what? Minus what? Minus 4u, and then 3 and 3, minus 3 and 3u. And when you multiply these two numbers, you get back at this. Okay, but actually you can use your calculator to get your answer. So then we now come back here and replace the middle one here with these two factors. So minus u, minus 3u plus 6 equal to what? Equal to 0. Then do the grouping, pair them together like that, pair like that. Group them together in two places like this. This is grouped together, this is grouped together. Then you factorize it. What is common here? 2u is common here. Take it out into brackets. If you take 2u out, it remains u inside. And then here, it will just be 2. Okay? And what we are doing there, once you take 2u outside, okay, for you to get the one inside, it to be equal to what you have here, 2u squared over the one outside, over what? Over 2u. And that will give you u. Okay, for this one also, that will be 4u over the one you have outside, over 2u. And that will give you what? That will give you 2. So that's what we have done there. Okay, here, what is common here? Minus 3 is common. Take that out. And that will mean u. And then minus times plus, that's minus. How many times 3 goes in? 6. That's 2 times. That's 0. Okay? So once you factorize this must be the same thing. Take one of that, and then 2u minus 3 equal to 0. Now this implies u minus 2 is equal to 0. So u is what? Is 2, or 2u minus 3 equal to 0. And that implies that u is equal to what? U is equal to 3 over 2. Okay? So then, when u is equal to 2, let's go to v expression. V is what? V is 7 minus 2u, and u is what? Is 2. And that will be 7 minus 2 times 2. That will give us that 3. Okay? So, and that will give us what? That will give us uv coordinates. That will be 2, 3. 2, 3. When u is 3 over 2, u is 3 over 2. So go to your v. Your v will be what? 7 minus 2 times what? 3 over 2. And that will be what? That will be 7 minus 3, that's 4. So the coordinate will be what? 3 over 2, 4. So that's that on that question.